Now let's see how to model a cactus in a different way. Let's go and open Thorn Generator with Player. Okay, I'm going to change to a plane. And I don't want to spend a lot of time in this one. Okay, I'm just going to modify a little my tone variations. Okay, something like that. And I'm going to export my maps to use in Maya, base color, normal map, and just opacity. This time I'm not going to use height map. Okay, I'm going to save here in this folder, and now let's go to Maya. Now I have this model. If you want to know how to model this shape, you can see a video in the description below in how to model a cactus to use in an architectural visualization. Okay, knowing that, let's get started. Let's do this very quickly. I'm going to just select a line from here at the edges, and I'm going to press Ctrl E, and I'm going to extrude this one. Okay, this depends of you from the distance, and I'm going to modify here a little. I'm going to copy the shape. I will delete all of these faces. Now I'm going to select the faces again, but this time I'm going to inverse the selection and delete the cactus. Okay, let's go and assign a new material for my 2D thorns. Okay, it looks that I can't set numbers. Okay, I'm going to fix these black faces, and now let's go and set up my maps here. Base color, I'm going to add transparency, and at last my normal map. Okay, it's ready. Now let's go to the UV editor. I'm going to select my edges from here, and let's go and move on to. Okay, I'm going to select the UVs, and I'm going to unfold in the U. So that way we have this look in the shape. Let's go and select a line of thorns. I'm going to select the last one, and we are going to generate something like that. Okay, now let's go just and move this to our cactus. Okay, here I'm going to move it. I'm going to snap here. Okay, and now we just need to duplicate this one. Okay, and our cactus is ready. It's ready to use in Unity or Unreal or any game engine. Okay. Thanks for watching the video.